Looking for a healthy snack with no refined sugar? These quinoa and chia seed bars are nutritious, delicious, and super easy to make. All you need is cooked quinoa, chia seeds, oats, nuts, peanut butter, honey, and a little coconut oil. Make sure the quinoa is fully cooked and completely cooled before using. In a bowl, combine quinoa, chia seeds, oats, and chopped nuts. In another bowl, mix peanut butter, honey, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until everything comes together. Press the mixture firmly into a lined tray to help the bars set properly. Refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours until firm. Once set, cut into bars or bite-sized squares. These bars are rich in protein, fiber, and omega-3s, perfect for a healthy snack anytime. Try this recipe and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes.